Neri tukorinde lia kabere keramate manene ye kirasi kumina kabere agendere da sense yeito ya Kenya boigo na mangana dokarakana imene isko ya Gusii karabono charagire Chinsa Isano Ibere chabana maso karongo kwa yani asemesa ya mangana maya edumana nende dokarakana imene isko ya Gusii kana rombo wasiri bwekisemese kirmacho kwa tariro rongo wa Gusii anene garanya kawika as University ya Kisii anne kranya kwegera omoroberio bwo kwenena wechibeso Justice University osasi skuru ao ime yense yeito ya Kenya boigo marai bwense rokdramto nigaringase University ya Mase County Nairobi anekrekerna asomoroberio o trade fair asensemeyo erinigotebi amange ngakanyaraga korekana asensemeyo konende na kwariganiri odebyo be ime yo mangana maya ye Chinsa nabere Edio mayenga kianda de watika kuriria moja sugusu amo na bosongo. Nyorandora sensemo ye mitandao Facebook tonyore Ndizi TV News Digital. Boiga sensemo ya YouTube na bao tonyora Ndizi TV News. Honyora chinga kina bao tweet at Ndizi TV News. Boiga karenga likiao yotugerende kirensa kirenda ikawetera ase namba era ase skini igorabu. Boigo ndora sensemeli ye website tonyora bina www.ndizitv.net. Abuna tonyora chinsemeron kebere na inye wikengima asimiro ito ya kerali tukaba mwana nchemba kwa mwero kalitukubaterana na bugeri nyancha moyo kwene kibina gocheire aserio gyamo nechibicha buna botamberiane Brighton Makori Nonya nekelie keraboro kiwabe jiskuru awa bagende dego ichandre ege ka serikali yerire kubatoka chibese chiri chiabaro kiabana go jiskuru nigobono mu wasiri bwegiseme sekeri ombaki machoguri tkolero akoretaro yayo ikase University ya Kisii anekranya rakago kwanera emeroberia serikali ebegede asogosira chisemi as University no jiskuru awa asense yeito ya Kenya ka kwana sensemeyo nigo egereire omoroberio omoyo ya serikali ya begete yo kwene kibuna aboro kiwabe University ngonyora bale chibese anene korwa serikali asogosira chisemi asense yeito ya Kenya tuture mu Kenya rakao kwana Kenya rakao ikasi University yo ya Kisii.
And there are also quite a number. We have said yes, they can be able to pay 40%, meaning if their cost is the cost is 200,000, probably part of education, the amount that mature will be expected to pay is 80,000. So this particular system, unlike the one before, looks at issues that is going to ensure accessibility in our higher education, such that we don't rock out those particular students, those children coming from families that cannot be able to pay the required amount at any given time. And we have said that it will be scholarship, it will be loan. Yes, there is an amount, even me when I was in university, the boom we used to get, at the end of it all, we had to pay. Of course, we were given many years to pay, and like me, I took almost 10 years to pay the loan that I was given during my time in university.
Amange bono mo wasirio yo amona baraibande banyarwa otarira asorongoro Gusii ndojikomanyiwa kero morikito miru mamanya ndato tuwateri onengane yo mo wasirio setaro yo mo wasiri ase county ya Kisii ekarato suka bosio abegeni korwa se kanisa ya Church of God Gatembe asomo chibosongo anena basubati nigobono bacha kirio moroberio bogo konya bali batali kwenyara asebinyoro awao ase county ya Kisii osasorongo rwa Gusii gokwana no director we kanise yo ase ensemo ya East Africa Kenya Reverend James Monyenye oyibono tebruna okwegena gotali nebikorwa nigo gokwete asadena ene renchire yamo bune kanisa egosira ebinyoro ao anene asibarolina amagani na arororo ekanisa etakire kurigereria na gosira abantu balibale asinsemo ao ase county ya Kisii.
A week that Church of God in East Africa, Kenya, Oroba, normally has once a year. We get into this week when we want to show that faith without action does not work. And this one is actually recorded in the book of James chapter number 2 verses number 14, where the Bible says that faith without works is nothing. And so all the mama department, women department, they come together for the sake of trying to show the salvation they received by faith and the good works it has produced. And normally when this one is done, we meet the expectation of those that are unfortunate in the society, or the women that are living desolate lives. We normally meet their expectations. Like now, for example, we come with gifts which we normally give them. And this is not only confined within the church, but it goes beyond the church, it goes up to the society. So this becomes a very critical point where you find that the church is also coming in to subsidize what the government cannot be able to do in terms of meeting the expectation of the people who are unfortunate within our society.
Amathema manene ye kirasi gya ikomi na kabiri nigagenderete asense ya Kenya asabarai ao be serikali kurwa city ministry ao banyara bako chakia matema ya siri tukulia kabiri bakurawa nomo wasiri simino jerugui ni gobono banyare ba tabuna matema ini gagenderete buya asibo igo banyare bakurwege kurege tindi gochi asonde bwenzi oliorobereti igokorobo iberi gose orobereti gosalia amatema yo ase ense ya Kenya mu wasiri oyo ase kerakoretaro yae ni gobo asiskuru awo ni gadene serikali ni gerengete kobeke merubiri miyano ena sisemi na gosira matema yo agendere mu wasiri oyo ni gale mu wasiri kwense meri ya cooperatives and micro small medium enterprises ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
We have all the cabinet secretaries who have gone round, including our president, and all the members of the executive are all out, including those here in Wasingishu, to wish our candidates all the best, especially in your exam. We know you have worked so hard. Your teachers have taught you, you have given you skills, knowledge. You've revised, and I'm sure today is that day. So I have no doubt in my mind, and we believe in you, we trust in God, and you will do very well.
Omugabana bwe county ya Meru Kawira Mwangasa bono gosemeri kwae ni gotigarite koba ase ebunge ye senate ya kerobono ebunge yo achakirwa tegerera na gukwanira engana yaye maganyarte kiwikiwa ase bunge yo kerabe MCB county ya Meru banyarde ba kumwaka isiko mugabano yo Kawira Mwangasa bono itukuliangyo na likawira rachiwika ase bunge ye nanyaraga kwerera amochari abekeire ne bunge ye county eyo bono nigetigarite buna ebunge ye senate nerera jiko mwaka isiko gose emwebereri asoko mutiga yagendera ko mugabana bwe county ya Meru eningane eyo niyo yanekiwe nomo speaker bwe gosomonogeri bwe bunge ye senate Amason King Chief oibono tebruna ngakibanyoreri ngane elyo nande ngibagendete kokora ekero Kawira Mwangasa aganyete ningie bunge yigo chikonacha ochiri amatuko haribosyo.
On Thursday 2nd November 2023, I appointed Tuesday 7th and Wednesday 8th November 2023 as the days when the Senate will hear the charges for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Kawira Mwangasa, the Governor of Meru County. Subsequently, a procedural motion for the alteration of the sitting time of the Senate for Tuesday 7th and Wednesday 8th November 2023 to facilitate the impeachment hearing against the Governor of Meru County was considered and approved by the Senate on Thursday 2nd November 2023. Consequently, a hearing program has been prepared and appended to today's order paper. Honorable Senators, as is the tradition, and in line with the schedule of activities for an impeachment hearing and plenary, the Senate will hold a closed preparatory session to discuss the management of the investigation. This is aimed at ensuring that the process is conducted seamlessly and concluded timely, in line with the requirements set out under the County Governments Act and the Senate Standing Orders. I now, therefore, direct that all members of public, including the media, to withdraw from the galleries and any form of broadcast from the chamber to cease forthwith. The open session and hearing will thereafter commence at 11 a.m. as per the hearing program.
Omurai bomo bwazimiro moja Raila Odinga ni gobona togiria bagabana anne bari bachoretwe inse yeria buri ria simiro moja wani Kenya nene ekaraderuna kubwatka no robotro nyarero kubwatkwa ni kiombe kemo kya Innovatrack ekikanyarage kubwatka bunana kya bakorari osinga ki abarai abo banyare ba korobo korari bwabo kimagendero ni goraira togirie abagabana anne bari banyara bagotangana anne ekaraderuna obomo bwazimiro moja ine kirenga kyabo kyogosira chiserikali chechi county nabagabana abo nigo bakorere buye yekoro kimuna chiserikali chechi county nigo chirebuya na yonde nigo chirareta magendero asichinsemo ao ochiasa bamenyi bara sinsemo ichu osasi county awa sinsito yake niga yakwane daye karari ngase county ya Mombasa anekero anyarithika gwika sumu yego yomo bwokwena na mariogo oyu ari ntuguno mugabana bwe county ya Mombasa Sharif Nasiri.
Juzi ile shirika kampuni inaitwa Infotrack imefanya kura ya maoni Kenya mzima kuangalia vile huduma inafanywa katika Kenya mzima. Matokeo hiyo, mimi nimeongea na mkurugenzi wa kule Infotrack, inaonyesha kwamba magavana wa Azimio wanafanya vizuri zaidi kushinda wale pande lingine. Hiyo tukio imenifurahisha kabisa. Lakini ningependa kuambia wazidi kufanya hivyo hivyo. Maana yake tunataka kuona kama watu wetu wanapata huduma sawa sawa. Hata wale wengine wa pande lingine wa UDA, mimi ningependa kama wao vile vile wangeimarisha hali ya huduma kule ambayo wao wako. Maana wale wote ni wa Kenya. Sivyo? Sasa vile mimi nimesema, najua shida iko. Nyinyi bado mko na shida mingi zaidi. Si mnaumia zaidi. Lakini mimi najua shida vile iko wanashughulikia. Nataka kutoa shukrani sana kwa kijana wangu Abdul Samad kwa kazi nzuri ambayo yeye anafanya pamoja na timu yake.
Asechinga kechecho ni goraira amochiria serikali anena sogotabe kemerubirimia yiranyarage kwimuka uchumi yense ya Kenya nene ekara mochiria barai ba Kenya kwanza bakurawo no murai bwense Dr. William Ruto no mokonyo erigatika shawa asogotwara chitaro chinyinge asechinsemo awo chinse ya Kenya amo ne chinse chisiko echikorengana chitarareta amatunda andonsi ekiagera serikali ridakire kuligereria amagima yaba Kenya na kuirani ebirengo byobogime bya kongeire abakenya
kuona kama serikali kuu ya juu vile vile inatekeleza wajibu wake badala ya kusema maneno tupu domo kaya. Gharama maisha bado imepanda sana. Bei ya unga, bei ya mafuta, petroli, sukari, sitima, sivyo? Na wanazidi tu kuongea. Tunasema maneno matamu sio chakula. Wananchi wengine wanalala njaa bila chakula chochote. Ndio sababu mimi nimewaambia wana jukumu ya kutekeleza wajibu yao badala ya kuzuru hapa na pale kutangatanga na maneno ya porojo. Hiyo ni maneno mengine. Sasa vile nyinyi mko hapa Mombasa, sisi kama Azimio tumesimama imara. Na tumesema hatuwezi kwenda kufanya mkataba yoyote ambaye haitaweka mambo ya huduma ya wananchi juu kabisa.
Murai bwense Dr. William Ruto ni gobono aikirana asumsangano o Africa Continental Free Trade as University ya Strathmore eyotoka se county ya Nairobi asateruna nigo emeroberio yabekirwe eyogokinia magendero anene asogotumeka chinjira chekerero anene asogosira chisemi asadena ense ya Kenya nigo yairiri bagari tangani asogosire meroberio yo anene asenjira yekerero Moroberio yo nigo ikerenwa na baraiba ao neji kurwa sechinsemo chitari che serikali na bali be serikali
to develop effective policies that drive inclusive and sustainable development in the whole space that we are seized with. Secondly, it is essential for us to sustain skills and development and promote continuous learning as a strategic priority throughout Africa. Africa's youthful population is projected to increase exponentially to 1.7 billion in the next 7 years and 3 billion by 2063. I am convinced, beyond any doubt, that the youth are the future and our greatest asset. By investing in education, vocational training, and research and development, we can unlock the innovative potential of our youth, equip them with the necessary skills for the future, and keep them at the forefront of Africa's economic transformation. I am very sure that universities, starting with Strathmore, are doing exactly that. And I am saying so not from hearing. I am saying so because 2 members of my family have actually been through this university.
Ayubono nararenga Chinsa Isano na Ibere kuri nyona chikoraga Chinsa 10 na ningira na SMS ngomanyi bunaendete gwateka imena isiku ya Gusii kuboli kwa nagenda kuri Ndizi TV na Rwansmusi asemerubiri to ya kera chinga kina kera Chinsa ekiagera buna bubwansu bumugusi nemerubiri roro ni Yeremia gocha sole ego kobo semi na ukomanya ekiagera nero ego naye ogoturigereria kera chinga ki imeya Ndizi TV na Rwansmusi nyorana na otorase mo mitandao Facebook tanyore Ndizi TV News Digital bagasense mo ya YouTube na bagotanyora Ndizi TV News ogonyora chinga kina boto tweet @Ndizi TV News wekarenga likia ogenda kwitoma gwetera se namba erase skini igora boigo ntorasense meri website www.ndizitv.net abna otanyora sinjira yoboikiranu twabaterna na bigeri nyanchamo yone kibona maliwine chibichago cheire asinjira bene oya soma gocha sole ninje Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.